Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Interferons are proteins produced by the human body to interfere with the spread of what? Is it A. Fungi, B. Bacteria, C. Parasites, or D. Viruses? The answer is D. Viruses.
Interferons are like the body's secret agents, launching a covert operation against viral invaders. These proteins alert neighboring cells to ramp up their defenses, effectively creating a viral blockade. Discovered in 1957, interferons have since become crucial in medical treatments for conditions like multiple sclerosis and certain types of cancer.
Question 2. Which of these marine mammals has two tusks? Is it A. Manatee, B. Walrus, C. Narwhal, or D. Beluga? The answer is B. Walrus.
Walruses are the only marine mammals with two prominent tusks, which can grow up to 3 feet long. These impressive ivory extensions aren't just for show, they help walruses haul their hefty bodies out of icy waters and serve as formidable tools in social dominance battles and defense against predators.
Question 3. From which type of tree do we get hardwood? Is it A. Conifer, B. Evergreen, C. Gymnosperm, or D. Deciduous? The answer is D. Deciduous.
Deciduous trees, known for shedding their leaves annually, provide the world with hardwood. This type of wood is prized for its durability and beauty, making it ideal for furniture and flooring. Oak, maple, and cherry are popular examples. Interestingly, some deciduous trees can live over 1,000 years.
Question 4. What is the world's largest mammal? Is it A. Sperm whale, B. African elephant, C. Hippopotamus, or D. Blue whale? The answer is D. Blue whale.
The blue whale, the world's largest mammal, can weigh as much as 200 tons, equivalent to about 33 elephants. Its heart alone is the size of a small car and beats so powerfully that it can be heard from over 2 miles away. Despite its massive size, it feeds primarily on tiny krill.
Question 5. What is the name of the physical law that states that energy is neither created or destroyed? Is it A. Law of universal gravitation, B. Law of the lever, C. Law of thermodynamics, or D. Law of conservation of energy? The answer is D. Law of conservation of energy.
The law of conservation of energy, a cornerstone of physics, implies that the universe's energy budget is fixed. This principle means your morning coffee's heat once danced in ancient stars. It also underpins perpetual motion impossibility, no free energy machines here, just clever transformations from one form to another.
Question 6. What is the word for a group of swans? Is it A. a muster, B. a run, C. a skulk, or D. a herd? The answer is D. a herd.
While herd is a term for a group of swans, they are also poetically known as a bevy when on land and a wedge when in flight. Swans are often associated with grace and beauty, but they can be fiercely territorial, especially during nesting season.
Question 7. Heroin is the brand name of morphine once marketed by which pharmaceutical company? Is it A. Bayer, B. Novartis, C. Merck, or D. Pfizer? The answer is A. Bayer.
In the late 19th century, Bayer marketed heroin as a wonder drug for coughs and colds, believing it to be a non-addictive alternative to morphine. Ironically, it turned out to be even more addictive. The name heroin was derived from the German word heroisch, meaning heroic or strong.
Question 8. What is a female rabbit known as? Is it A. a vixen, B. a jenny, C. a soar, or D. a doe? The answer is D. a doe.
In the world of rabbits, a female is charmingly called a doe, echoing the terminology used for deer. These agile creatures are known for their remarkable reproductive abilities, capable of birthing multiple litters each year. A doe's nurturing instincts and social nature make her an essential figure in rabbit communities.
Question 9. What is the name of the bird whose scientific name is Phoenicopterus roseus? Is it A. the stork, B. the flamingo, C. the heron, or D. the pelican? The answer is B. the flamingo.
Flamingos, known scientifically as Phoenicopterus roseus, are famous for their vibrant pink hue, which comes from carotenoid pigments in their diet of algae and crustaceans. These social birds often stand on one leg to conserve body heat and can filter feed upside down thanks to their unique beak structure.
Thanks for joining our scientific safari. We hope you had a blast, and remember, in the world of trivia, knowledge is your gravitational pull. Stay curious. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow dawns, take care and goodbye for now. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.